Look at her now.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, doing my hair.
He's like fogging it up.
She don't see us? You see me?
Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me?
Hell yeah, I see you. Both of us sitting here looking like two big Barneys. We see each other.
Rude. Предлагаю запустить новый тренд Cat Slime. Хорошо кликает, отлично тянется, великолепно хрустит, а еще много жрет, срет, мешает спать и воняет говном. Но я его люблю.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
¿Tú conoces a Pimpón?
¿A Pimpón?
Sí, Pimpón.
Sí, es un muñeco muy guapo y de cartón.
Sí. Se lava su carita con agua y con jabón.
¿Con agua y con jabón?
Sí, se lava la carita.
¿Eh? ¿Quién tocó los huevos a las 3 de la mañana? ¿Sí? ¿Despierta? ¿A las 3? ¿Sí? ¿Sí? ¡Despierta!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life? It's kinda crazy.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in, but if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Don't ever message me again, you fucking little slug.
Now look at this.
Baba, not everyone can follow you on TikTok. Some people just hate cats. No, you don't need to turn into a dog.
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Là, je viens de nettoyer parce que... Voilà. Mais Koska, je te vois, hein. Je te vois. Tu sais que je te vois? Ouais, c'est toi. T'as fait ça. C'est toi, pas la peine de te cacher, hein. Oui, oui, fais l'étonner. Fais l'étonner, c'est qui va nettoyer? C'est toi? C'est toi qui va nettoyer?
Look, all I'm saying is, if you're gonna be my girlfriend, you can't go run around shooting off your big fat cheerleader mouth.
You just call me your girlfriend.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, and shut up, you're ruining it.
Dear Diary, the authorities have removed the pair of black pants from the couch. There is no longer any place for me to sleep. I have vomited 3 times in protest, but there is no sign that anything will change. My only other hope for rest is on the computer keyboard, which is nearby, but sadly no one is currently using it. I will wait.
Today we're going to learn how to bake cat loaves.
This is what your loaf should look like in the dough stage. Takes a little bit of shaping, coat evenly with flour. Here we have a loaf that was cooked in a malfunctioning oven. Little toasty on one side, undercooked on the other. Still good attempt. Excellent attempt. Only slight charring, still doughy in the inside. Success. Excellent job. You have perfected this art form of cat baking.
Good try, but you burnt that shit.